Betrayal never comes from your enemies. It comes from those you trust. Trust takes years to build, seconds to break, and a lifetime to repair. Sometimes, the person you'd take a bullet for is the one holding the gun. A broken glass can be glued back together, but it will never hold water the same way. Do not be angry at them for betraying you. Be angry at yourself for ignoring the red flags. Forgiveness is mandatory for your peace, but trusting them again is a foolish choice. People don't change. They only reveal who they truly are. The saddest thing about betrayal is that it teaches you a lesson you never wanted to learn. The most powerful scream in the face of betrayal is absolute silence. Do not ask why they did it. Their actions are the only answer you need. Arguing with someone who broke your trust is like talking to a wall. Save your breath. Walk away in silence. It shows that you value your peace more than their drama. Your silence is a mirror that forces them to look at their own guilt. When words lose their value, silence speaks the ultimate truth. A wise person knows that confronting a liar will only bring more lies. Disappear from their life without a word. That is the highest form of self-respect. When someone shows you who they are, believe them the first time. Do not paint red flags green just because you love them. A toxic person will never admit their wrongdoings. They will just change the narrative. Pay attention to how people treat you when they think you have nothing to offer. Fake people have an image to maintain. Real people just don't care. You cannot fix someone who enjoys breaking you. Stop giving discounts to people who cannot afford your loyalty. Their true colors will always bleed through the mask they wear. The best revenge is to be completely unlike the person who hurt you. Do not let someone's bad behavior destroy your good character. Stay high when they go low. Do not wrestle in the mud. A lion does not lose sleep over the opinions of sheep. Let them win the argument while you win the war of inner peace. Maintain your dignity even when others lose theirs. Do not let a broken trust turn you into a bitter person. Stay kind, but set strict boundaries. Your value does not decrease because someone was unable to see your worth. Closure is an illusion. Sometimes the disrespect was the closure. You do not need an apology to move forward. Heal yourself. Waiting for them to admit they were wrong is a waste of your precious time. Accept the apology you never received and walk away. Moving on is realizing that the past cannot be changed, only understood. Do not keep reopening the wound to see if it is healed. Let it breathe. You survive by making peace with the fact that some questions will never be answered. The end of a toxic relationship is not a loss. It is an absolute victory. It is a ridiculous thing for a man not to fly from his own badness, but to fly from other men's badness. He who trusts the world betrays him. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. How much more grievous are the consequences of anger than the causes of it? To be trusted is a greater compliment than being loved. There is no greater fraud than a promise not kept. Trust, but verify. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Detachment is the only way to protect your soul from those who do not value it. Let go of the illusion that they will someday realize your worth. Emotional detachment is not coldness. It is a profound form of self-preservation. Stop checking on people who are not checking on you. Release the grip. What is truly yours will never force you to bleed to keep it. Master the art of observing without absorbing. When you detach from the outcome, you gain ultimate control over your mind. Let them go. The right people are waiting for you in the next chapter. A boundary without a consequence is just a suggestion. You teach people how to treat you by what you allow to continue. Stop crossing oceans for people who wouldn't jump a puddle for you. Make your access expensive. Do not let cheap people into your life. Saying no is the ultimate act of self-love. Guard your energy carefully. Not everyone deserves a seat at your table. If setting boundaries ruins a relationship, it was a relationship built on exploitation. Protect your peace. It is the most valuable asset you own. Use their betrayal as fuel to build an empire they can never touch. Work hard in silence. Let your massive success be your only noise. While they are busy gossiping about you, you should be busy outgrowing them. The day you realize you no longer care is the day you truly win. Success without saying a word is the most deafening sound in the world. Elevate yourself to a level where their existence is no longer relevant. Transform your pain into power and your heartbreak into greatness. A thriving life is the greatest response to a broken trust. Forgive them, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Healing begins when you stop identifying with the trauma they caused you. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it in the hands of those who broke it. You are the architect of your own happiness. Take the pen back. When you make peace with yourself, you make peace with the world. Breathe in peace. Exhale the past. You are safe now. Stay strong, stay silent, stay wise. Subscribe for more life lessons.